Gov, you mentioned about dams in the previous interviews that we had. Unsa man ka importante kaayo nga naagid tay kaugalingon pud gyud nato dinhi sa province and especially nga kinahanglan gyud nga operational siya.
Sus, dako kay ng tabang. Kung naapay dam karon niya, na El Nino, nananta tay water supply, nananta tay water source, they should have been built years ago. I don't know why, for some reason, wala gyud dam diri sa kuan sa probinsya sa Subo. Usa ni usa ka rason ngano nga nabahaan ta during the Tino. Because dili na ma-contain sa watershed mo to. Di ba we made a simulation na the water came from the watershed mo to. Dito na, pinakalayo Danau, pinakalayo diri Asturias. If you look at the map, that's what you will see. So this is something they should have done, the previous administration should have done years ago.
In our administration, Gov, napasad tay plans to do it and when o asa sa gisalukit?
Of course, that's a priority. That's why I said earlier, we are pushing for DPWH, and even we are pushing and we are begging national government to please help us build the dam, because this is also for the safety of the Cebuanos, no? Not just for water supply, but also for the safety. We cannot be threatened by another Tino in our lifetime. That's why the dam is of vital importance. Good, nga ma-build yun na siya as soon as possible.
Good morning. Asam tag-budget ani kay dako ra ba yun yung budget ang dam ug reservoir?
Yeah, national
magamit ni
government
sa irrigation.
Yeah, the national government is already allocating 7 billion. If you remember, that's when Sec Vince was here and we went together in Mananga. That's mo dito na nila gisulti nga they're willing to allocate 7 billion for the building of the dams. So we're very thankful and we are very grateful nga wa mi sa napabayai sa atong mga national agencies. But what Miss Budget, and as you know, all the projects na mo ang gijug RDC. So that's why nga nanawag sila, was it last week nga mag-emergency meeting ang Provincial Development Council and also the Regional Development Council para isulod ni ang dam ang kani 7 billion nga dam project.